down for me. Roll for me.
Yeah.
He backed up. AG. He's black. Yeah. Here we go. Come on. You held it down for me. You rolled for me. You helped me make it through when the world was shitting me, dissing me. You pulled me through the storm, and now I'm doing well. My pocket's swell. I'm staying on my grind. Just wanna say thank you. Just wanna say thank you.
Hey yo, I want you to connect with me. Turn the book of our lives to the same page. Keep it real, never meant for us to change ways. Break up, make up, all in the same day. You're right between my arms is where your frame lay. We cuddle like we freezing, piss knowing I hustle nights and weekends. Like the Nets tell, loving I sets well. I hope I don't hit jail before the CD and cassette. Yeah, yes ma'am, I know this when your hair done. And when you're mad, I know you down for a fair one. Like you can beat me. Your apple bottoms and BCBG. Open toes keep me feeling freaky. I got a chick that understands me. From the block to a night at the Grammy. And whatever life hands me, you dare trust me. When I'm writing, you roll my judges. When I'm broke, you my clutches.
You held it down for me. You roll for me. Down for me. Help me make it. Help me make it. When the world was shitting me, dissing me. You pulled me through the storm. Yes, you and did, now I'm doing well. My pocket's swell. I'm staying on my grind. Just wanna say thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey man, you got me jumping out of my shit. Soon as you touch me, you such a turn on. When you turn on, you trust me. You touch them spots that need attention. All nighter without mention. Massage me to relieve the tension. You know a nigga stress. Blunts roll when I come to your rest. Hold me down. You got a nigga back in war. Used to tell me how she used to sling crack before. Said it was better than stripping. Mommy is hell in the kitchen. We chinky eyed eating sesame chicken. I feel it when you bust. I ain't afraid to go down. And we don't fuck with niggas, so we stays out of town. You might catch us in NY or out in Myrtle Beach. Any weekend other than bike week. I got plans for you, P the man for you. I smack a nigga open hand for you.
You held it down for me. You rolled for me. You helped me make it. Yes, you did. The world was shitting me, dissing me. You pulled me through the storm, and now I'm doing well. My pocket's swell. I'm staying on my grind. Just wanna say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
The sexy little look in your eyes and how thick you are. I can sit a book on your thighs. Don't look so surprised. I got crooks on my side and I love the way you look in the ride. Top down, we ride the highway. 745 parked in the driveway. Sex every day from Monday to Friday. I put my seat on your bun, I like it my way. If we can build a bond so strong, it feels so right, but it gotta be wrong. I never met a chick like you. You never stress me. We lay up after show nights and blow the Nestle. And even when we beef, you still caress me. And know not to push my buttons, so don't test me. And even when I had no deal, you was the chick to hold me down when I had no meal.